Hello everyone present here. My name is Mohammed Samir and I'm currently a final year student in NIT Allahabad where I'm pursuing my BTech degree. First of all, I want to thank my mentors, Rafael Tapia sir uh, and Mustafa Hasan sir for always helping me and replying to my messages, doubts, and making this a journey smooth for me. And I also want to say sorry in advance. Actually, I'm not prepared well as I'm currently not well, and I'm having some health issues. So I want to say sorry in advance. And I also want to thank my mentor Mustafa sir for providing us this template, as I'm not very good in designing. So let's start with the presentation. We all know that how about Rocket.Chat, that Rocket.Chat is a backflip platform for teams to collaborate, and we all know that Miro is one of the most used collaboration tool. But as of now, we don't have any app to get update of Miro boards or charts on the Rocket.Chat. So that was my work to integrate Miro with Rocket.Chat, and that was my work. So let's begin how we can use Miro in Rocket.Chat. So first of all, the user has to authorize the Miro boards to the Rocket.Chat by using the Miro app // command. In this way, the user can authorize herself or himself to the Rocket.Chat, where we can start working with the boards, or we can view the board, view the various Miro boards we have been working on. We can create the new boards on the Rocket.Chat itself. We can add members to that boards. We can subscribe to that boards. So how we can first, when we like we want to get all the boards, or we want to get a particular board, we can use the get / command to get the board. And we have various options here like view, share, edit, delete, subscribe, or embed. uh, these options, we can view the board, we can also share the board to Rocket.Chat channel, we can audit the board, like if you want to delete, if you want to remove any member from that, we can also delete the board if you have no use. We can subscribe to that board to get notification about what's happening on that board. We can also embed our board to the Rocket.Chat channel. So the key features I want to talk about that it allows to give access or invite to selected room members on the current room by the add member command. By this command, we can add any particular member on the current Rocket.Chat channel, and we can assign any role to that. Like yeah, as I was talking about the Miro and Rocket.Chat, as of we don't have any app to connect Miro with Rocket.Chat, so my work was that to connect Miro with Rocket.Chat. In this, we have about how first the user have to authorize the Miro boards to the Rocket.Chat by using a Miro app or command. It can be done. And now we can, after the authorization, we can view, create, add members, subscribe in the Rocket.Chat itself to various boards. About retrieving the boards, we can use get command to get all boards, or we can get a particular board by using the board ID or Teams ID or anything, the name of the board. We have various options on that board like view, share, edit, delete, subscribe, embed. We can use any of them. Like view, we can use view command to view the board on Miro itself, and we can share the board in the channel. We can edit the board, like we want to remove any member. We can delete the board altogether. We can subscribe. We can also subscribe to the board by clicking on the subscribe button to get the notification about what's happening on the board. We can also embed the board in our Rocket.Chat channel. The key feature of, as I was talking, that we can assign as when we are adding the member, we can assign the role to the member, like if that member can comment only or edit the board, or if he's the admin or anything like that. Unless I've talked about the embedding the board, we can pin our boards to Rocket.Chat channels. Now let me take you to the demo of the app. Here is the app that I've created. Here's the list of all the commands we can use. Flash command like help will show you the list of all the all flash commands, like it's showing here. The auth command will start the process of authorization. The get command will help you to get all the boards. The create command will help you create a new board on the Miro. The manage command will help you managing the board, notification subscriptions. Like let's use some of commands like Miro. It will help you to authorize. Like when we click on authorize, it will take you to another window. And here I've already authorized, so it's not showing that we can use the Google or Facebook or LinkedIn, anything to authorize this. We can add them. Once the authorization is successful, it will show you the notification the authorization process has succeeded. Now you can create a new board like this using the create slash command. Type the board name, type the team's ID, description about the board, why you want to create, or anything. Like I am typing the name, any random name. The board is created. If you want to add member, then click on the add member option here and select the role for that member, like commenter, viewer, editor, co-owner. And you can search on the channel about any member you want to add. Like currently I'm only editing this, so you can add that. And you can view the board. It will take you to the Miro board itself, where you can view the board activities on the board. You can share the board in the channel itself. You can edit the board. You can, if you want to delete, you can delete the board. But if you want to delete, the board will be deleted. It's showing the board deleted successfully. You can subscribe to the board, or you can embed the board. It will show you the embedded board here. View embedded boards. These boards are embedded. When I was working, I embedded them. And you can also create the board from here, create Miro board like this I created previously. So these are the functions I have created, I worked on. In the end, I want to thank uh, the Rocket.Chat team and all my mentors for helping me and for giving me these opportunities. Thanks, guys.